If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To pay multiple vendor bills at once in Sage 50 Accounting after entering purchases in the Purchases Receive Inventory window, select Tasks. Select for Payment from the menu bar to open the Select for Payment filter selection window. You use this window to select the invoice and vendor filter criteria used to select the invoices to pay. In the Select for Payment filter selection window, enter the date for the payment checks into the check date field. To filter for invoices due before a certain date, type that date into the Invoices Due Before field. To filter for invoices by the date a discount is lost, enter the discount date into the Or Discounts Lost By field. You can set additional filter criteria in the Include Invoices section. You can set it to include all invoices or only invoices. If you select Only Invoices, you must enter the number of days past due date with balances over whatever dollar amount you then enter. You could also filter by vendor and either select all vendors or vendors that are from a point in the vendor list to another point in the vendor list. If you do this, you must select the vendor IDs in the From and To fields. You could also select only vendors that match a specific vendor type by entering the vendor type into the Type Mask field. To always calculate and take invoice discounts even if the due date has passed, check the checkbox for Always Take Discounts regardless of due date. When finished, click OK to open the Select for Payment window, which shows the bills you have entered that match the selection criteria you set. This window shows all outstanding invoices, credit memos, and prepayments that match the filtering criteria. It also automatically selects all entries for payment. Click the Pay checkbox for any invoice you don't want to pay, as each bill is marked as paid by default. To mark all the entries to be paid or unpaid, click the Check All or Clear All buttons in the toolbar at the top of the window. If needed, you can change the cash account used to pay these invoices within the Cash Account field at the top of the Select for Payment window that appears. To make partial payments on an invoice, enter the partial payment amount into the Pay Amount column for the desired invoice. Also, each vendor is issued a single check no matter how many invoices are being paid. After selecting the invoices to pay, make sure that the information at the top of the window is correct. To then print the checks, click the Print button in the Windows toolbar to print the checks to the selected vendors. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.